Good morning, students. Today I am sharing the video in which you will learn about chapter 3 of geography, that is mineral and power resources. Students, watch the video and understand the topics properly. Note down the important points in your notebook. Let us see the topics which I will discuss with you. What are minerals? Types of minerals, characteristics of metallic minerals, types of metallic minerals, and last is extraction of minerals. Students, minerals are very important part of our life. Electricity, coal, petroleum, gold, silver, salt, etc. are examples of minerals. Almost everything we use, from a tiny pin to a towering building or big shops, all are made from minerals. Railway lines, roads, machinery too are made from minerals. Car, buses, trains, aeroplanes are manufactured from minerals. Students, what are minerals? A natural occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is known as minerals. Its chemical composition would not change from place to place. It always remains same. They are created by natural processes without any human interference. Gold, silver, coal, petroleum, these are made by nature. They take a long geological period. These minerals cannot be made during our lifespan. These can be identified on the basis of their physical properties. Physical property means such as their color, hardness. We can easily identify the gold because of its yellow color, silver, white color. So we can identify by their physical properties. Students, what are rocks? Rocks are made up from minerals. A rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals but without definite composition of constituent of minerals. Rocks from which minerals are mined are known as ores. Rocks do not have definite chemical composition. That is why color of rocks vary from place to place. Red Fort is made up of red stone. Taj Mahal is made up of white rocks. So different rocks have different chemical composition, but minerals have definite same chemical composition. Students, there are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. What are the types of minerals? There are about 3000 minerals are found on the earth, but on the basis of composition, minerals are classified into two groups: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals means gold, silver, iron, or non-metallic means coal, petroleum. They are examples of non-metallic minerals. What are the characteristics of metallic minerals? These contain metals in raw form. Metallic minerals are hard substances. These have a shine. Gold is an example of metallic mineral. We know gold is hard, but coal is hard, but petroleum is not a hard. So these have a shine. They are conductor of heat and electricity. We use copper, silver, these metallic minerals in wires. So iron ore, bauxite, manganese are examples of metallic minerals. Students, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. And non-metallic minerals like coal, petroleum, these are found in sedimentary rocks. What are the types of metallic minerals? There are two types of metallic minerals: ferrous metallic minerals and non-ferrous metallic minerals. So, ferrous metallic minerals, they contain iron ore, manganese, chromite are the examples of ferrous metallic minerals. Student, these are less expensive. These are used in making train or windows, doors, or knife is made of ferrous metallic minerals. Non-ferrous metallic minerals, these do not contain iron but may contain some other metals such as gold, silver, copper, lead, etc. Non-ferrous metallic minerals are expensive. We know the price of gold, it is very costly, very expensive. Diamond is very expensive. Non-metallic minerals, these do not contain metal. Limestone, mica, gypsum are example of non-metallic minerals. These minerals, fuels like coal, petroleum, examples are non-metallic minerals. Students, these minerals are found in the earth. So how we extract these minerals from the earth? There are mainly three methods of obtaining minerals from the earth. These are: first is mining, second is drilling, and third is quarrying. What is mining? The process of taking out minerals from rocks. The process of getting minerals from the rocks buried under the earth is known as mining. Or mining can be do two ways. First is the open cast mining. Open cast mining means minerals that lie at the shallow depth, means near the surface of the earth, are taken out by removing the surface layer. This is known as open cast mining. Student, salt is obtained from open cast mining. Near the seashore, the sun's heat evaporate the water slowly and common salt is left behind, which we can get by the open cast mining. Student, second way of obtaining mineral by mining is shaft mining. Often the minerals are not found close to the surface as salt is found but deeper down the earth. In these cases, underground shaft mining is used. In South Africa, gold, diamond are obtained by shaft mining. So, in shaft mining, deep bores, cold shaft, deep holes, wells are made to reach the mineral deposit that lie a great depth. बहुत गहराई में पाए जाते हैं, उन्हें निकालने के लिए होल करना पड़ता है, ड्रिल शेफ्ट करनी पड़ती है. दिस इज नोन एज शेफ्ट माइनिंग. Third, second way of obtaining mineral is drilling. Drilling means deep wells are bored to take out the mineral. This is called drilling. Petroleum is obtained by which method? Drilling method. And third is the quarrying. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out to process known as quarrying. For example, sand is found on the surface of the earth. It is sand, coal, so they are obtained by quarrying. Students, I hope all the topics are clear to you. In next video, we will discuss the distribution of minerals. Thank you. Have a nice day.